In the last couple of weeks, not only have I been deep diving into crypto even more, but I've been really invested in this new and upcoming scene of NFTs. This video is not going to be all about what NFTs are, but more so just catching you guys up to what projects I've been really deeply diving into. In my brief time in the NFT space, I have found one project that I really resonate with. I think it's going to be a really great long-term project. It's still got a relatively cheap entry point. This is the Doge Pound. This is their website. You can see all the different Doges they have on the site. You can see their roadmap and all that kind of good stuff. So you can check that out if you want to. But right now, the Doge Pound has a floor price of 1.38 Ethereum, which is pretty high considering its history. But you can see right now in the overall history of Doge Pound sales on OpenSea, we're on a bit of an incline right here right now. And there's a reason for that. Coming September 1st, the Doge Pound is going to give away one puppy NFT to every single person who owns a Doge. So if you own 3 Doges like I do, you'll get 3 puppies on September 1st airdropped into your account. This probably helps explain why the Doge Pound floor has risen over the last couple days and the last couple weeks. People are excited to be able to get their own puppy Doge just by holding one of the Doges from the Doge Pound. In addition to that, they have 3D Doges coming out, they're going to have breeding, and they're going to have a whole metaverse around this NFT. But the most important thing right now, that if you want to get involved in it, to get a puppy, is to have a Doge by September 1st. So you have basically about a week from this video to go and check out this project, see what it's all about, see if it's something that you'd be interested in taking part in, and then you could possibly get yourself a free puppy alongside your Doge in just about a week. You can see right here, this is my main Doge. It is pretty highly ranked. It's a 870 rank out of all 10,000, so that's a pretty decently rare Doge. I just love him because he's looking fresh AF. She's actually a doggo, which means she's a female, but I freaking love this doggy. I love the spiky hair, the glasses, just looking fresh. A lot of good colors on this, a lot of good color scheme on this one. The sphere necklace matches the mohawk. I love it. I think it's a really great purchase. I actually paid 2.6 ETH about 16 days ago for this, which was a considerable amount of money. However, I do see this going up in value over time as the floor continues to rise, as this project gets bigger and bigger. My other Doges I have here, Doggy 952, which has got the awesome hat. I got this guy with the scraggly teeth, 6938. Another cool thing coming to the Doge Pound over the next couple months on the roadmap is breeding. So like I said before, because this is a female, she will be able to have even more puppies in the future once breeding becomes available. The Doge Pound white paper briefly outlines how breeding will work. I'm sure it'll change a little bit, but basically you have to have a male Doge and a female doggo to breed and make a puppy. Owners of each of those Doges have to agree to breed their dogs, and then the female gets the puppy and the male gets the fee for the breeding. So for example, if I wanted to, I could breed this doggo with my other Doge and create a new puppy. Even further down the line, they're going to have a metaverse with a feeding game. There's a mobile app they're coming out with. It's similar to Tinder. So in my opinion, this is definitely one of the cooler meme-oriented, culture-oriented projects going on in the NFT space right now. But you don't have to take my word for it. If we go and look at Logan Paul, he has 2 Doges. If you go and look at JNRY Crypto, this is someone who I follow very closely for all things crypto. JNRY is one of the biggest Doge holders. You can see right here, if we go down, he actually owns 218 different Doges. So it's his most held NFT on his OpenSea account that's public anyway. You can see he owns a whole bunch of these, so he's obviously a believer in the project. Alex Becker also owns a considerable amount of Doges. I believe he owns over 100 as well. Yep, 125 Doges in his OpenSea wallet right now. So you can see that there are other big influencers in the space, not just me, that do believe in this project. Even though it's definitely more of the avatar-based theme, it's less artistic and less gaming involved, I do think there's a lot of culture and a lot of support behind this project. There's now almost 3,000 different Doge owners, which means that it's well diversified. A lot of different people believe in this project. The Discord's over 8,000 members. The Twitter's over 25,000 followers. The community behind it is great. The leadership, Crypto Babe and John Lemon, I have talked to both of them. They are very passionate about this project and making sure it continues to grow as time goes forward. And as you can see here, over 6.3 thousand Ethereum has been traded through the Doge Pound, which is a considerable amount of money. You can go and check on any project and see their activity, and it's always a good sign to see that people are still buying and selling Doges or buying and selling any of that NFT project to make sure it's still an active project. There's still community support for it, and there's still buyers and sellers that are on the open marketplace that keep the project moving. Didn't even mention it, but Ricky, aka FaZe Banks, is also a Doge Pound holder. And speaking of FaZe and Call of Duty, I'm actually going to be teaming up with Doge Pound to put together a Call of Duty tournament that will probably have some Doges as prizes for winners and will include influencers that are part of the Doge Pound NFT community. There will likely be perks for verified Doge Pound holders, so that's even more incentive to look into this and see if it's something you want to participate in. Let me know what you guys have been up to. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.